Alright, so this is the visual servoing robotic hand by Amber McDougall, Ryan Lamro, Quinn Thompson, and Christopher Green. We're going to kind of explain how things work. You have the Xbox One Kinect, also known as the Kinect V2, up there. We get our visual input from that, and we use the information from the Kinect to send it to our robotic hand here. The robotic hand is supposed to mimic the user's right hand. So the way we have our GUI that we wrote set up has two sides, the input side and the output side. The input side goes through and it shows the different inputs from the Kinect. There's color, camera, infrared camera, depth map. You can do some image processing, has a little skeletal man. You can do some cool 3D rendering with it that does block man. And we're going to go back to color for the rest of this. So the right side is the output, and we're going to demonstrate how we do this, but the way that we have things set up is it'll track one person's movements and use that one person, even though there's more than one of us in frame. It'll track one person's movements to send to the robotic hand. So I'm going to pass this to Amber. I'm going to take over. So the robotic hand is able to do 3 different hand states. You can do open, closed, and what's called lasso, or a 2-finger point. In order to engage the robot, you have to raise your left hand above your left shoulder and open it, and it will start mimicking. So it's mimicking the lasso. You can open, you can close. We also have forearm rotation at 0 degrees, back towards 180. It doesn't quite get to 180. You can also do a wrist angle, like that, and it has a little bit of a hard time detecting exactly how, because the Kinect is not built for this kind of detection. So it has a little bit of a hard time deciphering what the angle is supposed to be. The last thing that we have is we have it set up so that we have force resistors on each of the fingertips that allow us to detect when we are touching something. And so the fingers will actually stop moving when we press on those force resistors. So I'm going to go ahead and close it, and if, Amber, if you want to just use your free hand and just press one of the resistors. I'll open for a second. Sorry. Let me close. And as soon as we let go of that finger, it will continue trying to close. So that's kind of a summary of kind of what it does, how it works, and yeah, that's our project.